So what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool for data management, visualization development to do the enterprise-wide reporting and analytics. It's a one-stop shop for all the analytics need for data acquisition to data cleaning to data representation. It has three main components. First is the Power BI desktop that we will going to use here in this course. Second is the Power BI query, which is helpful for the data management, querying the data and cleaning the data. It is also a part of the Power BI desktop, but enabled only when we go inside the Power BI section by going through a proper options. Third is the Power BI service, or is an online service where on the web or on the cloud you can create the Power BI reports and dashboard, and this is a paid version. So a question which comes in every beginner's mind is that, is Power BI worth learning? And here we will look at a couple of reasons or couple of points that will help answer it. So the first point is that Power BI is part of Microsoft Business Intelligence stack, which has already thousands of customers, therefore enable easy adoption. As you know, Microsoft is having quite a legacy when it comes to developing applications, especially around the data intelligence or business intelligence, and thousands of customers like presented here have already adopted this. So this new tool is getting the easy adoption in these existing companies. The second point is, due to Power BI, Microsoft has got the leadership position in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. As you can see, this is the Magic Quadrant that we have, in which Microsoft has the leader position. In past couple of years, Microsoft was present somewhere here, but as and when Power BI has got the popularity, Microsoft position has reached to the top. Let's look at the third point, that its licensing cost is very low as compared to its peer like Tableau and ClickSense. Here is quick comparison. For Power BI Pro, you need to pay $9.99 per month. For Tableau, you need to pay whopping $70 per month. And for ClickSense, you need to pay $30 per month. So licensing is also in favor, which is a crucial criteria for company before adopting any tool. Now let's look at the fourth point, is that Power BI interest over time in Google Trend seems to be in line with Tableau. Tableau has been the leader in the space of data visualization and business intelligence. And here, if you see over the past 5 years, from November 1, 2015, we have this Power BI where the interest was quite low. But over a period of time, the interest has increased quite significantly and right now trending it above Tableau. And now let's look at the fifth and final point, is that the strong backing of Excel-based community who has naturally moved on to the Power BI as their next level skill development. And here you can see quick statistic which I have got it from the Power BI community, where how many topics you have on the desktop, how many topics you have on the services, where people have asked the question and the community has replied to their answer, and it's increasing day by day. So because of all these 5 reasons, I believe that Power BI is worth learning. It has a strong scope and a strong vision for the future for the development of the business intelligence application.